YouTube, it's your girl Drea back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Morphie 9C Jewel Crew palette review. This is what it looks like when you first get it. So, your girl is cheap, you know, not too cheap, but I'm a cheap girl. So when I saw this, when I went to Ulta, girl, they hushed me up. Okay, so this is what it comes in. This is what it looks like on the back. And it says it comes in 9 shades for play. Alright, so I opened it already, but you know what? It's okay. I'm going to open it on camera for you guys. Okay. Sorry, I dropped it on the floor. So this is what it looks like. It says, of course, Morphie on it. And I swear, look at this. Ooh. Look at those colors. I really like this one and that one. Okay, so the colors on here say Rock Out, Rose Quartz, Purple Rain, Fool's Gold, I like Fool's Gold, Hidden Gem, Chocolate Diamond, Flex, Stone Fox, and Rich Girl. Ooh, I think these two will look really pretty together. Maybe this one too. Okay, so let's see what it says on the box. I'm very informative, if you didn't know. Like I said before, it says this palette is called the 9C Jewel Crew. 9 shades for play. Morphie babes don't blend in, they blend the rules. Mix and match these crazy, creamy, powerful, pigmented, beyond blendable jeweled shades anywhere you glow. I like that. Anywhere you glow. What? And yeah, that's what it says on the box. And with that, I had got at Ulta as well to match these, to let these, girl, I can't talk today. Basically with these eyeshadows, I got this NYX eyeshadow base. I was gonna get the white one because she said that with the white one, it makes your eyeshadow more pop, you know, pop out your eye. You know what I mean. So I got that. And I got this in the color ESB03, basically skin tone. You can see I used a little bit already. And yeah. And then what else I got was I got the Morphie M330 brush. And this was only about $4, $3, somewhere in there. So yeah. I am excited to try out these colors. But let me get a mirror because I'm not trying to mess up, okay? Oh, moment, it's a mirror on the palette. Okay, so yeah. I'm going to go ahead and put this eyeshadow base on first. I was going to do it with my fingers, but I have nails on, so I might apply with a brush first. And I know my hair is looking crazy, y'all. I didn't lay it down. But for the purposes of this video, this is a makeup video, not a hair video. So, yeah. Give me 1 second. So now I'm going to take... So now I'm going to take this brush right here. And I'm going to take this eyeshadow base, put it on my lower lid. What color should we go in with? I might try Rock Out. We're gonna see how that looks. Can y'all see? I'm going with this color. So we're gonna get a little bit on it. Oh, what? maybe I should have put my eye. Maybe I should have put my mascara on after. But it's okay. And this is beginner friendly, guys. Trust me, I'm not perfect. I really am not perfect at this stuff. I just try to go. What looks good? Okay, so next we're gonna go on with next we're gonna go on with Fool's Gold. But you know what I want to do? I kind of want to like I said before, I want to make a crease like right here, and then do Fool's Gold. What? Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna. Okay. Okay, so now since we're done with that, we got our crease, whatever we want to call it. I'm gonna let y'all look at it real quick. Okay, then we're gonna go in with our Fool's Gold. Ooh, it's pretty. I don't think it's making a difference, y'all. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I think it looks okay. I walked down my town and then I break this. I went down my town and then I break this. But I don't know, y'all. But I think that's okay. I think I like it. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And yeah, but I love these colors. I love these colors. They pop, and especially with that NYX base. Before, when I tried to put eyeshadow on, it would not do anything, I promise. Like, it would be like darker than this. Like, excuse me, like, sis, how am I supposed to see that eyeshadow? Like, what are you doing? But anything. Anyways, I think it's okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like these wonderful colors that Morphie had to offer. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing, if you guys really like this makeup tutorial, I will definitely be doing more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to tune in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Moves, man, that's how I keep my sanity. Yeah, it's my team summer. Couple setbacks, bounce back and recover.